Good morning! Good morning, Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Today is December 24, Christmas Eve.
Christmas na sa
Christmas
Pinas.
na sa Pilipinos. And finally, we're going out. The hotel that we work to, it's closed from December 24 to 27. So, we had a chance to go somewhere and spend Christmas. Wish you a Merry... Ay, naingat naman ako doon. May ganun siya. Ay, tingnan nyo. Wait. Puso yung mga nakaganyan dito. Ang taray, nakasmoke mobile yung ano. Malala ang winter dito sa Newfoundland. Sa mga nagsasabing hindi malala, para sa akin malala.
Hindi malamig pero mas no.
Hindi, it's not too cold, but the wind, yung with sobrang lakas, as in, natatangay ako ng hangin. So, spend the holiday here with us. Our first holiday, Christmas holiday here in Newfoundland. In fairness, ang ganda. Ngayon lang kami lumabas since it started to snow. That's the Crossmore Mountain, covered with snow. And this is the highway. So pretty. White Christmas it is. Tama yan, mag-glow kayo, magsipag kayo. Nakakatakot yun. Gas point na naman. Let's try for today's video. That's the dagat. Ang kita. Look at the snow. Finally, reach Corner Brook. Kakagising ko lang. Siya nag-drive. Hihi. As usual.
Gising ko lang din.
Funny. Wala pa kasi akong driver's license. And so first
Hindi ka
stop
naman din
is...
marunong mag-drive kahit may license.
Ay, ganyan talaga. First stop is Shoppers. Just need to refill my prescription. Tapos, grocery ron. Hindi ko na isasama dahil nag-grocery na tayo before. And then, mag-check-in. 4 p.m. pa naman check-in. So,
Prescription para hindi siya baliw.
hindi ko na-expect maraming tao. Naging last minute ko doon pala.
Ganda nung makabuklat, makalog na eh.
Okay. Hindi na ako nakapag-record. Sobrang lamig sa labas. But we are here na in Corner Brook. It's 4 p.m. and we're having our lunch. Finally here. First meal for today. Ano yan? Kare-kare?
Red curry. Thai curry.
Anong gusto mong kare-kare? Let's eat. So, hello again. We are here in Hue and Draw Hotel here in Corner Brook. Finally, I found a good hotel to stay in for the Christmas Eve. We'll just show you the room. It's really nice. So this is the washroom. Very basic toilet, washroom. You have all the toiletries that you need. This is a mini bar, a coffee station. Ano daw?
May free steak dyan, no?
Meron mo gumamit ito?
Siguro.
Yun lang.
Dali lang yan siguro. May Google.
And then there's a mini kitchen. Complete na siya with stove top and I don't know what's this. It's I really look for a hotel room that has a mini kitchenette kasi most of the restaurants here are closed during the holidays. And wala kami makakainan if ever. And then ito na yung bed. And may fridge ako niya. Oh, cute. Rose. Akala ko malaki yung TV, nakaka-fake na may ganun. And then this is the view. It's nice kasi malaki yung window. Naman ito, ang phone nila. Paano ito gamitin? Dipindot.
Pindot siya, hindi siya ikot.
Ay, hindi.
Oo, pindot siya.
Kung di ikot yan, wala na. Bumaba ka na lang. Let's check out what they have here. Ay, dapat nag-iwan tayo ng laundry, oh. Maliit lang.
Try ko nga. Ganun konti.
Na-miss mo yan. Iwan na ka na dito. Hindi, 3 days tayo.
Ha?
3 days tayo.
Hindi mo na nga.
Ano, lalabas ba tayo?
Hindi na, tulog na tayo.
Tinamad.
Ba? Hindi pa man natikman, kinakain mo na.
Wala siya, baby.
Wala dito? Ulit tayo.
For time.
Hindi na, napakaman.
Tingnan mo.
Huwag na. Ito na lang sa akin.
Ayaw ko para sa lasa. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Kala ko didiretso na tulog ko eh. Sungkok. May tayong cook. And Tylenol. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Just woke up. Tylenol. I was some soft drinks. So, ano number yung Tylenol? F4.
Baka F6 mapindot mo ha.
Okay.
Uy, F6, F4.
I miss Sour Patch. Eh, bili ko Sour Patch. Iba yung
Oh,
flavor
sige.
niya. Eh, may Hershey's din sila. Ano? Dito na. Wala sa salt drinks.
No, sa ice machine.
So,
Okay.
French fries.
Ayan, French fries. So, chicken. Ah,
Kinali kasi ito to eat. So good. Ito pala.
good morning. Gising na.
Masama pa lang ko, baby. Open mo window. Open mo window.
Ay, ba ito?
Ay, sinara ko yan. Sinara ko yan kagabi. Meron sa side. Sa side. Right side.
Oo. Ino-open ko lang to kasi hindi siya lilitaw. Hmm.
Please no.
Hmm.
Why Christmas? Hindi ko kaya lumabas.
Sa labas si Elsa.
Hindi ko kaya lumabas. Dalabig.
Kabayan na bites? Ba't ganyan ka maglakad? O maghugas ka ng paa niyan?
It's Christmas Day!
Oh, really?
Merry Christmas again. We woke up earlier around 8:30 and then one more time at 11 a.m. You'll see it. Anyway, it's snowing. Although I'm not sure if you see it. Very light lang. And we were supposed to go to church this morning. Pero parehas masama pakiramdam namin kasi super lamig. So now we're gonna eat. We ordered food to go from yesterday. Kasi yung mga groceries and restaurants ngayon, they are closed. So we need to warm it up na lang. So, magsisimba na lang kami online. Our lunch, sisig and liampo. And there's a juice. And Netflix. Chill lang tayo this Christmas. Dahil malamig sa labas. And may lignat ang dalawa.
Hindi ko kasama si Frankie kasi maging ayaw niya sa government talaga. Ayaw naman namin sa government, di ba?
Ang i-snow, tinan mo yun. Oh, sipag maglakad ng aso. Malamig. Tulog ulit. Tulog ulit.
Sponsored by...
Paano ito mo pa-open?
Bigger than us, but we're still pretty big. We've torn apart ships 10 times their size.
Ilan tatlo?
Gusto lang?
Anong? May laman yung tumbler?
Wala.
Kahit konti?
Oh, natapon nga lahat.
Ano lang?
Oh, malinis naman yan.
Nag-uningin pa, pone ka na, pone ng Espiritu Santo. Limisa mi daw ni umetana, king kapayapan.
Salamat, Tio.
Merry Christmas!
Evening, still Christmas Day.
Kasi yung mga bata, kailangan natin maalis.
Kain na naman. Yan ang ginawa namin. Kain, tulog. Salmon and Teiku. What do you know?
Favorite.
Favorite. Bakit may parang paharang ka dyan? Baka mag-fire alarm. Okay. Yes. Hindi pa nag-fire alarm. Nagbaon kaming rice cooker. Yay! Ah, may usok lang tayo, but it's worth it. Yum. Yay! Thank you. Thank you. Sog na naman tayo. Thank you. Thank you. And Stranger Things night. It's almost 3 a.m. We're still watching. Almost 3 a.m.
No? Almost
It's almost
3:40.
Almost
2:40.
Nag-lotion ka? Ha? Nag-lotion ka?
Saan?
Nag-lotion.
Hindi pa.
Nagkagat mo ka para hindi mag-dry lips. Hindi sakit kung mag-dry lips. Okay na ba? Kumukuha tayo ng luggage.
Ha?
Anong ka ba? Luggage ka. Hindi na.
Hindi na siya. Antayin mo na lang mamaya.
Third floor lobby. Morning is December 26 na. We're just checked out. Going back home na. Without updating kasi kinakabahan ako right now because there's a storm coming and the road condition so far they said it's not good. It's not advisable to drive. Hi, let's see. Dapat may pupuntahan pa ko yung parang farm. Malibot pero gusto umuwi na. Para lang safe. Bye-bye, you and Shaw. See you again this summer. Pa yung restaurant na tsaka yung brewery. Ready to drive?
No.
I know, right? So far, it's not snowing. But we'll see how it's gonna be. Sabi nila masama daw yung road from Milton Dale to Cowhead. So, update.
Wipers links.
Quick update. We're here in Deer Lake. So far, okay yung weather. And nag-check ako sa weather app and the roads app. Na-flow na yung way namin on the way to Cowhead, going back home. So, nag-stop muna kami dito sa isang Filipino grocery. Let's see what they have. Quick stop lang ba kasi abutan ng bagyo. Remind mo ako, magdala lagi movie.
Okay.
December 27. Tula. Tawa ka. Okay, we got home yesterday pala. I forgot what time. Mga 4 p.m. And then we eat and sleep. Mananaba kami talaga this Christmas break. So, today's December 27. Anong oras na? 2 p.m. Wala na kami magawa. Bukas pa lang ang work namin. Kagigising lang. And pakita ko sa'yo paano sa labas. May winter storm ngayon. Ang kalat na room. Kaya zinuzoom ko. Di pa ako nakapagligpit. Sabi mo?
Wala.
Ay sinasabi ka.
Di pa nakapagpaligpit.
Ako magliligpit?
Oo.
Nasa apartment na namin kami. Pakita ko lang yung situation outside. By the way, nag-hoard ako sa Filipino store kahapon. Binibili ako ng bangus. Ulam namin for later. Ay, parang gusto kong pork chop. Anyway, yeah, may winter storm ngayon. Hindi na kami lalabas. Kain-tulog na naman before kami mag-work tomorrow. And, getting situation, ang weather ngayon is this. Sana ma-edit ko yun. And then, super lakas ng hangin. Naririnig ko na siya ngayon habang nasa loob pa. Nakong pambahay lang ako dapat kasi nandito na ako kasi malamig kahit. Open ko lang ng very light yung door. Okay, pakita ko sa inyo. Tatakot ako mag-open. Ay, hindi na-justify. Hindi na. Basta ganyan kalala. Try ko siguro next time vlog ako about cowhead, pero hindi ngayon. Bala ko sa vlog pakita ang cowhead, pero hindi ngayon. Dapat kami nakatila sa summer naman. Oo ay, napabilog yun. Amazing. Siguro dahil sa hangin. Anyway, tama na kanakota. Masyado naman ako sa hangin. So, ayun na nga po. That's our Christmas this 2025. There's nothing much to do sadly kasi I don't know, ang alam ko kasi pag sinabing Boxing Day, shopping day. That's why I'm so surprised na pagdating namin doon, sarado lahat. Walang restaurant, walang grocery store, walang shopping mall. So umuwi na lang kami. Pinush ko pa kahit ang sama-sama ng weather. Anyway, that is for our 2025 Christmas. Siguro baka medyo maboard kayo pero nag-enjoy kami kasi we really needed that rest. Kaya nagtulog lang talaga and go somewhere. Hindi na kami stay dito sa apartment kasi nakikita namin ito everyday at least. Iba naman ang environment. So, ayun lang. Merry Christmas! Hey! Merry Christmas! Say bye!
Merry Christmas.
Magligpit na tayo. Magligpit ka na!
Ligpit na ako. Saan mo ikaw?
Bye-bye!
Ikaw magliligpit.